In 1933, 5 workers near the Hoover Dam project developed violent muscle cramps after working in the blistering Nevada heat. Doctors blamed the water and salt pouring out through their sweat. That explanation would shape sports medicine for generations. But modern science uncovered something the original story could not explain. Why do well-hydrated athletes still cramp? Like and share for the real science behind muscle cramps. Physicians Dr. John Talbot and Dr. Jost Michelson studied 7 heat illness patients near the Hoover Dam construction project. 5 had severe heat cramps. The workers had spent hours sweating in extreme heat. Some received saline or other salt-based treatments and recovered. Talbot and Michelson concluded that heavy sweating and sodium loss were likely responsible. For those workers, it was a reasonable conclusion. But the study involved only 7 patients, used different treatments, had no control group, and examined industrial workers, not athletes. Even so, dehydration and electrolyte loss became the dominant explanation for exercise-related cramps. In 1997, South African researchers Dr. Martin Schwellnus, Dr. Eric Durman, and Dr. Timothy Noakes proposed a different idea. Muscle fatigue might disrupt the nervous system's control of a working muscle. Now that theory needed evidence. In 2010, Dr. Kevin Miller induced muscle cramps in volunteers and gave them pickle juice. The cramps ended about 85 seconds later, far too quickly for its sodium to be absorbed, enter the bloodstream, and reach the muscle. Something else had to be happening. In 2011, Schwellnus followed 210 Ironman triathletes. Athletes who cramped showed no significant difference in sodium changes or body weight loss compared with those who didn't. Instead, a history of previous cramps and faster race pace were stronger predictors. That same year, Italian physiologist Dr. Marco Minetto found further evidence that the nervous system, especially the spinal cord, plays an important role in how exercise-related cramps develop. Then, researchers examined the biggest dataset yet, 3 decades of Ironman World Championship racing, including nearly 50,000 competitors and more than 10,500 medical records. Athletes with cramps often lost more body weight, suggesting dehydration can contribute. But blood sodium and potassium still did not clearly separate athletes who cramped from those who didn't. The Hoover Dam doctors may have explained one type of muscle cramp. The mistake came later, when that explanation was applied to every athlete, every muscle, and every cramp. Nearly a century later, scientists still haven't found one universal cause. Follow Fit4 Blast for the real science behind human movement. When do you usually get muscle cramps, and what gets rid of them the fastest?